Imagine that you are in a beautiful forest, bright sunlight dancing off of the leaves of every tree. In the distance, you can see majestic, huge snow-covered mountains glittering against a bright blue sky. And from the mountains, rushing waterfalls flow down into a winding river, finding its way back to the ocean. In this moment, you look inside yourself and you can hear and feel everything happening around you. You realize that what is happening outside of you is also happening inside of you, and there's no difference between the universe within and the universe without. As you look around you, you realize you are not different from the present moment. You are the present moment. You are enough.